Our daily math review number 1. So we're going to write an expression to represent the combined plants and shirts that Adeline has together. So Adeline has P plants and S shirts. She combined them and then sold half of them. So if she combines them, that means she's putting them together. That means we're going to add them together. So she has P plus S, so pants plus shirts. We're going to put those in parentheses because that's what she does first. We need to make sure, remember, when we have the order of operations, we need to do our parentheses first, and that's what she's doing first. She's combining them first, then sold them for half of them. So then we'll divide it by 2. We'll divide by 2. Or you can put it as P plus S, and then all of that divided by 2. That is another way you could see it, but since we are typing, you might want to just put it in as P plus S divided by 2. Alright, now, let's do this one. Alright, so now we have our equation, or our expression here. If she has 7 plants and 12 shirts, or pants, whoa, why do I keep saying plants? 7 pants, so if we put a 7 for the pants and a 12 for the shirts, how many would she have altogether after she sold half of them? So we're going to replace the P with a 7. So we're going to have 7 plus the shirts are 12. Then we'll divide by 2. So remember order of operations, 7 plus 12, we're going to get 18. Then we're going to divide by 2, and that will equal 9. So she will have 9 altogether after she splits them in half, after she puts them together and then divides them in half. And that's going to be it for our DMR number 1. Great job!